Tired of manually creating files for your Python projects? In this video, I'll show you every way to create, write, and manage files efficiently in Python. Here we are in our blank text editor. First, write with open and the name of our file, file.txt, and we'll put it in write mode. After that, we'll reference to it as f. Next, we can do f.write and then whatever we want. In this case, I'll do hello world. And after that, all we need to do is run our file and we can see what happens. And as you can see, on the left sidebar, we see a file.txt has been created with our stuff there. But what if we wanted to add more to our file? We can't use write mode because that'll overwrite whatever we have. So let's open it again, file.txt. Instead of write mode, we'll put it in append mode, so we'll use A. And what this does is this does not overwrite the file, so we can actually add more text than deleting the previous text and putting in something new. So we'll do f.write, and then we'll do /n to indicate a new line, and then adding more. Now let's go ahead and try to run this code. And let's go back to our file, and as you can see, it works perfectly. So that's how you create and edit files in Python. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.